أهلا بكم في قناتي SAT Math 800. Today we will talk about basic probability concepts. The first concept we will talk about the simple probability. The probability equals favorable outcomes over total possible outcomes. Let's take an example. Drawing a red card from a deck. The deck is the playing card that we are playing with. The total number of the cards is 52 and the red cards is 26. So probability of getting red equal the desired or the favorable outcomes over the total possible outcomes. We simplify it into half. Independent events. Formula: probability of event A and event B equals probability of A times the probability of B. These events that don't affect each other, so they are independent. When we flip two coins, when I flipped the first coin, that doesn't affect the result of the other coin. So when I flip two coins, the probability of getting heads for the first coin it's half, and also for the second coin it will be half. So the probability of both coins to have heads equals half times half equal 1/4. Another example: flipping a coin and rolling 4 on a fair die. The probability of getting 4 when rolling a fair die is 1/6, and this outcome doesn't affect flipping the coin. Flipping the coin still half. Toss a coin and roll a die. Probability of getting heads in the coin equals half. Probability of rolling or getting a 4 equal 1/6. Probability of getting heads and fourth equal half times 1/6 equal 1/12. Mutually exclusive event. This formula: probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. What is the meaning of mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive events are events that cannot happen at the same time. If one happens, then other must be impossible. So probability of A and B equals 0. Probability of A and B to occur equals 0. Here the symbol is OR, not AND. Let's take an example to know what is the meaning of can't happen at the same time. Rolling a die and getting 2 and or 5 at the same try. If you roll a die, we will get one number. It's impossible to get two numbers. So probability to get 2 or 5 equal 1/6 plus 1/6. The probability of getting 2 from a die is 1/6. The other probability of getting 5 is also 1/6. So we will add the two probability and we get 1/3. These are mutually exclusive because a die can't show 2 and 5 at the same time. Let's take another example. Drawing a card, and when we draw a card, it will be a heart, or it will be a club. Both events can't happen at the same time. With one card, we will draw one card, so it's impossible to get two symbols. A single card can be both a heart and club, so they are mutually exclusive events. Now let's talk about conditional probability. The formula is probability of A dash B. We say it A given B equal probability A and B over probability of B. It's also equal probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. What is the meaning of conditional probability? Conditional probability is the probability of an event happening given that another event has already happened. Let's take an example. The probability of drawing a king from a play card given a face card. Here we have two events are happening. We drawing a face card. Face card mean J, Q, and K. The other probability is getting a king. The face card equal 12 card total from 52. So the probability of getting a face equal 12 over 52. The probability of getting a king, kings are 4. Probability of getting a king equal 4 over 52. So the conditional probability of of K given face or F equal the probability of king 4 over 52 divided 12 over 52 equal third. This word here, this sentence here, is the key word to know this is a condition probability. Giving that or giving the event. This the keyword of a conditional probability. Let's see then another example. Class of 30. 18 play basketball, 12 play soccer, 6 play both. Probability that students play soccer given that play basketball. The same sentence, given that they play basketball. This is the keyword that we know the example is conditional probability. Let's get the probability of soccer given basketball. Probability of soccer intersect basketball equals 6 over 30, since 60 students play both out of 30. Probability of basketball equal 18 over 30. So the probability of S given basketball equals 6 over 30 divided by 18 over 30 equal 6 over 18 equal 1/3. There is also a concept in probability, it's additional rule of probability, addition rule of probability. The formula probability of A union B. It's equal probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of the intersect. When you are finding the probability that either one event or another event or both happens, and then the event can overlap to event happen at the same time. This is the concept of the union. The union, it's either one of the event happen or both. When we get both, there is an area here which is overlap. And that's why we subtract the intersect of two events. Why subtract probability of intersect? Because when you add probability A, this is A. All of this is A. Plus the probability of B, all of this is probability of B. The overlap, so this area is a part of B and also it's a part of A. And we take it 2 times. The overlap is counted twice. So we subtract one of them so the answer will be correct. Let's see an example. In a class of 25 students, 15 have brown eyes, 12 are right-handed, 8 have both. What is the probability brown or right hand? Or give me, he asked about union. Let's draw this example. Total students are 25. The brown eyes are 15. The right hand are 12. 8 have both. So we subtract this 8 from 15 and the other 8 from right hands to get only brown eyes are 7, only right hands are 4, 8 have both, have brown eyes and right-handed. So this is the intersect point. The students have the two brown eyes and right hand. The whole students were 25. Then remained 6 students are neither brown eyes or right-handed. They are 6. Here he count the only brown eyes and the right-handed and the intersect and subtract from 25. We get 6. Don't have any of them. Let's solve this example. Total students equal 25. Brown eyes students equal 15. So the probability of brown 15 over 25. The probability of right hand students equal 12. So the probability of right hand equal 12 over 25. But the probability of both, which is the intersect, is 8 over 25. This will subtract it. Here we will say 15 plus 12 minus 8. So we get 19 over 25. This is the summary of the lesson. The independent event, the probability is A or B, or always means union, equals the probability of A times probability of B, or it's also equals probability of A union probability of B. These are independent events, like flipping 2 coins. The event doesn't affect each other. Mutually exclusive event, the probability of A and B equals, here we have a multiply, here we have addition and intersect. The probability of A and B equal probability of A plus probability of B equals probability A intersect B. Conditional probability, it's a probability of A given B. It's the probability of the intersect over the probability of B given B. so the b will be in the denominator. Addition rule of a probability: the union of a probability when they get overlapped, or there is an intersect part, equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus probability of the intersect. Here we don't confuse independent event with mutual exclusive event. Don't confuse with these two concepts. The independent one event doesn't affect the other, like flipping two coins. Mutually exclusive: if one happens, the other can't, like rolling the die and getting 2 and 5 at the same roll. Can both happen together? Yes, I can flip the two coins together. Can they happen in the mutually exclusive? No, I can't roll the die and get 2 and 5 together. That's all for our lesson today. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.